This is Basis News, early June 2021. We've just had a test, an actual alert of the British, that's the United Kingdom, emergency alert system, and that goes out on people's cell phones. This is the very first time it's actually happened. It happened on May the 25th. The other main thing that's happened at the end of May was the emergence of a brand new group called ICER, the International Coalition for Extra-terrestrial Research. And we have our own Gary Hesseltine to introduce it.
Welcome to ICER, the International Coalition for Extraterrestrial Research.
Il fenomeno degli UFO, o UAP, ha valenza mondiale ed è stato investigato per oltre 70 anni.
And it may have profound implications for humanity and society.
Esto actúa con inteligencia, probablemente extraterrestre y de origen no humano.
Die Frage ist also, wie sollen wir mit diesem Phänomen umgehen?
Foi por isso que fundamos a ICER, a Coligação Internacional para a Investigação Extraterrestre.
ICER – организация, которая имеет представителей в 27 странах мира на 5 континентах.
We are scientists, academics and leading UFO, UAP researchers around the globe.
Und wir finden, es ist an der Zeit, dass wir uns auf diesen Kontakt vorbereiten.
Seriously. And the time is now.
Y es por eso que ICER está tratando de sentar las bases para una nueva realidad.
Nós estamos juntando o máximo de informação possível sobre todos os aspectos deste fenômeno.
ICER is creating awareness programs to help people prepare for this new reality.
E l'ICER vuole promuovere relazioni pacifiche con queste intelligenze.
Aceasta este o cale de descoperire pentru întreaga omenire.
¿Cómo queremos dar forma a nuestro futuro?
Let's think about it.
Okay, that's it. Two huge things have happened. The test of the Britons, which will be a global emergency access system, emergency advisory system, and a new group to tell us all about UFOs with a global coalition of great UFO experts who've been working in the public domain and behind the scenes across the world. This is a great new initiative. We wish them well. There are major things in the pipeline. Stay tuned.